In this video, we'll show you how to optimize the SEO of a web page using metadata in the Lightning platform. Page metadata helps search engines such as Google understand your content and influences how your page appears in search results. Metadata is information about your page that isn't visible on the page itself. It includes the page title and page description, which are often shown by search engines when your site appears in search results. To edit a page's metadata, go to the page you want to optimize. In the main toolbar, click the Page Details icon. This opens the page settings where you can edit the page title and description. Page title is one of the most important SEO elements on your page. It should clearly describe what the page is about and include keywords your visitors might search for. Try to keep your page title short and meaningful and avoid using the same title on multiple pages. The page description gives search engines and users a summary of the page's content. Although it doesn't directly affect rankings, a clear description can encourage people to click your result. Write a natural, readable sentence that explains what visitors will find on the page. If you'd like extra guidance, click the question mark icon for tips on creating effective page titles and descriptions. When you're finished, click OK to save your changes to the page details. You can review your metadata using the Metadata Review report in the Statistics panel to quickly spot missing or duplicate entries. Once you've updated your title and description, click Save in the toolbar to publish your changes so search engines can see them. If you'd like extra help, we also offer affordable SEO services to help your website reach its full potential. And that's it. By keeping your page metadata clear, unique, and relevant, you can improve how your website appears in search results and make it easier for visitors to find the right pages.